Yeah, hi and welcome to New Roommates. Today we will discuss about SDLC, Software Development Life Cycle. Okay. Generally, whenever we are implementing any projects in SAP, we will use Activate methodology, or if it is ECC, that time we use SAP methodology. Currently, everybody they are using Activate methodology. Okay, Activate methodology, but some companies they are using Activate methodology and they are following SAP methodology steps. That is different thing. Okay, but yeah, what is SDLC? Okay, generally we can use for rollout or any new development will come. Example one sales register and purchase register, something, some new requirement, new report or new process. Third party scenario not available in our company currently. There is some third party process can we want to develop. In this case, we can use SDLC. Okay, SDLC. Generally, we will get business requirement from BRD, business requirement document. Your business user they can send us business requirement document. Okay. Some companies they can call as a business demand, different names we will call. That is company to company. It is project to project. It is different. Generally, we will receive BRD. Once BRD will come, we can follow the SDLC. Okay. Uh, Implementation we cannot use SDLC. We can treat it as a activate methodology as a one SDLC also, but steps are different. If we can come to activate methodology, we have discover, prepare, explore, realize, deploy, and run phases are there. This is full pack implementation purpose. If we can come to SDLC, okay, we will gather the requirement. Once we receive BRD, we will thoroughly we will prepare all the BRD steps. Whatever user mentioned those requirements, we will analyze. Okay, we will analyze. We will do everything after that this requirement gathering stage level and is analysis stage level. Okay, analysis first we will read business requirement from BRD. Okay, if there is anything is missing, it is not clear, we will schedule calls in requirement gathering level only. We will take all the requirements based on our meetings. We will send minutes of meeting. Minutes of meeting is nothing but whatever we discussed about this new development. Example, sales register, invoice report they needed. Okay, whatever fields they want, what is possible, everything we can discuss there. After that, we can do analysis. This analysis level, sorry, this analysis phase level we will prepare functional specification, everything, whatever possibilities we will analyze. Then with design level, functional consultant they can written functional specification and whatever mandatory configuration things they can point out. Okay, then they will give it to development team to development. And also functional consultant they can they can configure anything is from any configuration is needed, everything they can do in development phase level. Parallelly above for whatever, okay, BI consultant based on your if you are using Power BI consultant they can write their coding. If it is only report from direct SAP, okay, we can use our developer can do, our consultant can do that. Doing after the testing phase, tester is nothing but a functional consultant. Generally in SAP, some companies they are using different testers. Okay, the testing level, the testing we will perform there. Okay, after that deployment, we will take EAT, in testing level. You user unit testing we can do. Then UAT also we can do. If it is rollout project, we can do regression testing also. Regression testing means existing scenarios, whatever existing scenarios is there. And if it is normal new report development are these things only. Unit testing done by consultant. Okay, UAT done by user. Okay, when UAT done, once we move it to quality. Unit testing generally we can do it in development testing client level. Okay, if you need this landscape, SAP landscape video is available. You can do it. Okay. After that, we will move it to production, that is deployment. Okay. Once the EAT we will get from user. Okay, user, we will move it to production. Then support and maintenance is nothing but a once implementation community we are doing hypercare and support, right? Like that here also, this development once it is moved to production, okay, we can do yeah, we can support them, okay, how to use it all in this testing phase. Before EAT we will give all the training. If they face any issues or any fixing needed, any issues they are getting after support and maintenance, we will support them. This is not only for development, okay, any new project. Example, third party sales or some other new process came, some automation they asked, okay, we will analyze, we will get requirement, analyze after that design level, we will prepare functional specification, and we will finalize whatever configuration needed, everything we can do. Development level, we can configure, and developer can start the based on our FSD functional specification, and they can do the things, everything. Okay. Testing, UT and EAT commonly it is there. If it is rollout project, generally regression testing will come. Deployment level, okay, we will move our TRs to production with the help of base system. Support and maintenance, that is just support, okay. Hypercare, initially 1 or 2 weeks hypercare. Implementation, 1 or 2 months we will give hypercare. If it is small development, 1 week, 2 weeks hypercare will be there. Then normal support, it will move, okay. This is SDLC, okay. This is the difference between generally new implementation rollout, new implementation migration projects, we can use activate methodology. After that, any new developments, these things will come, we can use SDLC, okay, software development life cycle. Okay, this is one of the most recently a lot of members they are using what is SDLC in interviews, but this is not mandatory, but they are asking, so we need to answer. SDLC is a software development life cycle. Software development life cycle. Okay, here there is a, so they are casually they are using what is the pages in SDLC steps. What is the steps? What is the pages? Requirement gathering, analysis, design, development, testing, deployment, support, and maintenance. This analysis we can call as a planning also. This analysis level we will give planning. Okay, how many days we will complete that also we will give in analysis phase level. Okay, this is one of the each and every software employee as well as SAP consultant must know this to answer these things. Okay. If you can see here 6 pages are there. Our activate methodology also same 6 pages are there. This similar, just a naming conversion. SDLC can be used by all the software employees, including SAP. Okay. Activate methodology, it is specifically for SAP consultants. Okay, this is the SDLC. Recently, lot of interview they are asking what is SDLC. Okay, because of that, I recorded this video. If you like our video, please like, and if you are not subscribed, please subscribe. Okay, in future I will record AI fitments in SAP. Okay, what is there in 2025 version? What is new in 2025 version? How AI can work? These all are I will make videos next 1 or 2 weeks, 2 months. Okay, thank you.